Today I've got a NZXT Internal USB Hub. I've recently upgraded an Acer Aspire or Z5761, which is a 24-inch touchscreen all-in-one computer. And the dilemma that I had was the motherboard I've replaced it with only has a single USB 2 header on it, except this all-in-one machine has about 4 USBs that it requires, or of the internal. So this device here, what it should be able to do is expand the amount of internal USB hubs or ports. So inside the box there's really not that much there. Got the USB hub itself. It has also 2 internal USB-A ports. So we've got the white port there, which is goes directly to the main board, and then 3 extra hubs ports from there. Also noted is the back of the port itself, or the hub. It's magnetized, so you can either stick it that way, but I did choose to use adhesive. And here is the 5-volt power for it, and the USB hub to USB header. So overall, this will do exactly what I needed to do and get this all-in-one computer going again. So a useful little device. I'll catch you later.